Hey guys, real quick video today. Quit wasting your money. Quit throwing away your sandpaper. You can restore your sandpaper and you get 4 times as long out of it. Take a look. With the use of this little guy right here. Let's take a look. Okay, well, nowhere near as bad as it was. That was just a real quick cleanup on these. These were unusable, so I can get at least 1 or 2 more uses out of these. I've done this process a couple times on them. The sandpaper dressing tool, I'll show you a link down below where you can get this. It's only a few dollars. Considering a belt is, you know, up $10–12 for a belt of this size. This stuff's like $3. Get way more than 1 use out of this. Definitely worth it. It's made out of the same stuff they make rubber boot soles out of, but my boots are worth more than $3, so I decided not to put those on my sandpaper. I hope you save some money with this quick tip. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'm Jay. This is my to-do list. Thanks for watching.